Hello everyone, welcome back to Update. Are you looking for a beginner friendly internship that allows you to work remotely and build a real world skills in full stack development? If yes, then this opportunity is from Techtora Consultancy Private Limited might just be for you. So today I will give you all the details about this full stack developer internship. So what it offers and how you can apply for this and what are all the eligibility criteria, what skills that are mandatory, what are the benefits that you will be getting. All the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the internship. This internship is perfect for the beginners who are eager to gain the hands-on experience in the full stack web development. Here is what you will need to know. A company name is, I just told that Techtora, so Consultancy Private Limited. The location is that fully remote it is, so work from home you will be doing the work. The stipend structure is of 6,000 to 7,000 per month, and the duration of this internship is of 4 months, and working hours is be like 3 to 4 hours per day. Now the start date is very immediate, so as you give the interview, as you are selected, then you are immediate to join that and do the work itself. So with the flexible schedule, you can easily balance this internship with other commitments like gaining the valuable experience also. Now let's talk about what actually you will be during the internship, like the key responsibilities, what are they? Like you will be collaborate with the development team where working on a designing, developing and as well as deploying the web applications using the MERN stack. So MERN stack in the sense MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and as well as Node.js. Now let's talk about the RESTful API development. Like it will help you develop and as well as integrate the RESTful APIs with a forefront of components. So bug fixing and as well as optimization, identifying and resolving the bugs, optimizing the code, and you ensure that the performance improvement is there. And the code review and as well as best practices, like participate in the code reviews and follow the software development is a best practice in this thing. Now the daily stand-ups like joining the team meetings, contribute to the sprint planning and also adapting to the agile workflow also. And let's documentation that you will document the code processes and procedure for the future reference. All the things are the responsibilities that you are including this. Now let's talk about the requirements, like what are the qualifications you need to have to apply for this internship, and the background you need to come from the computer science, IT or any related field to the computer science, and like student or recent graduates are eligible in this. The basic knowledge of web development technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also familiarity with the MERN stack like MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and as well as Node.js. Understanding of Git and as well as version control system is a big thing in this. Strong problem solving skills and as well as attention to the details also. Now, why should you consider this internship? Here are the top reasons to consider this internship. So first, we have hands-on experience where you will get work on a real-world projects with a latest web development technology. You will have a flexible remote, like gaining the work from home experience, which is highly valued in this today's market. And the stipend that you will get paid while you learn with a competitive stipend for a beginner level internship. The skill development, like you will improve your expertise in the MERN stack and software development lifecycle. Collaborative environment, so working in a team setting and learn from the experienced developers. So the main thing that is how you can apply for this internship. It is very simple. The link is in the description box. When you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page and you can simply press on apply now button and you can apply for this internship. And make sure your resume highlights your relevant skills and as well as projects. And the deadline is of 14th December. So as early as apply, you do this internship. And don't miss out this wonderful opportunity to start your career in the web development. So what are you waiting for? If you're passionate about the learning and as well as developing your skills in the web development, this internship is a perfect opportunity for you. Comment below that if you have any questions or need to help for preparing the application. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Opportunity for more career updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.